Minutes from now at 5 p.m. is when the first cabinet meeting is all set to take place. The details that we are getting right now is that the ministers have already started arriving for this all-important meeting that is to take place at Prime Minister's official residence. Pragya joins us for more. Pragya, now these meetings can happen, but all eyes are on the portfolio announcements. What can we tell our viewers about that?
Well, it seems like we have checked with few of the ministers. They haven't got the portfolios yet. But as Prime Minister yesterday told them in the meeting that the portfolios are going to be announced sometime in the evening, and he also told that the cabinet is going to take place very soon. No one knew that cabinet is going to take place the very next day after the oath swearing ceremony. And many of them are believing that the portfolios list will come as soon as the cabinet will be over. And it is probably in the cabinet that the cabinet ministers will be told about their own portfolios. This is what we are hearing from our sources. The ministers are arriving for the cabinet. This is the first cabinet of Modi 3.0, and beginning of the day has been very as you rightly said, that the Prime Minister has hit the ground running. He already disbursed 17th installment of Kisan Samman Nidhi, and obviously sending a message across to all the sectors in the country as well, including farmers, poor, that we are there for you. Our welfare policies will continue as you have given us faith to govern the country for the third time. We are believed that sources have already told us that they are draft ready for almost 2 crores of houses for PM Awas Yojana Gramin. So this could also be part of that cabinet as well. But as soon as the cabinet will be over, we'll get you more details and about the portfolios as well, because everyone is asking about the portfolios and what are the ministries that they would be holding charge of. So it has become quite a mystery as well, as many of them are very jittery about also the fact that the portfolios haven't yet come, and they want to know what portfolios they have been given.
A lot of reading between the lines has been done since yesterday, Pragya. People spoke about whether the sequence in which the ministers had taken oath gave some clues about if it is going to be the new pecking order. Do we know any details about what portfolios are likely to be given to whom? We know that the CCS ministers have been retained, but are we going to see any mega changes this time around? Because we know that some heavyweights have also been included and will need to be accommodated in some prominent ministries.
Well, it is a given that all the top ministers will be retained by BJP. It is the largest political party in the NDA fold, and this is what we are given to understand. Also, there are almost 30 basically cabinet ministers who were sworn in yesterday. There are 5 who are of independent charge, and there are 36 more, if I'm not wrong, which are Minister of State. So everyone knows what designation they have been given, but the portfolios are very crucial, and this is what everyone is waiting for, including the ministers. And there's always a curiosity what ministry will be given, whether they will be retaining theirs as well or not, or what is the interesting task that they will be given, and there's a responsibility. Many are very fresh faces. It will be the first time for them to be in the government, and those faces are really excited irrespective of the ministry. Obviously, everyone would want to be, in the ministry, which many of them would think are really important. But as Prime Minister say, every ministry is important, and it is in Prime Minister's tenure that agriculture, rural development, and they got a lot of attention as well. Earth sciences and science and technology, for that matter, it became very important ministries. So everyone is excited to know what charge they will be given off. But right now, they all are asking when the portfolios will come.
Pragya, quick question. Are those the questions that are also going to be asked in this cabinet meeting today? Is that going to be on the agenda, the negotiation
no one
perhaps?
Will be asking Prime Minister that.
What's on the agenda otherwise? We've already seen Prime Minister invited all of them for a tea party, gave them his message. We saw him speaking to the PMO officials, laying down the blueprint for the longer run. So what exactly are they going to talk about in this cabinet meeting now?
So the cabinet agenda will be on the table. Prime Minister will discuss about 100 days plan, and obviously one of the agenda is going to be passed in the cabinet as well. What we are hearing But given the fact that there are old faces who would never ask Prime Minister what portfolio they are going to get, and there are new faces who will be afraid to ask what portfolios they are going to get. So they'll wait for the list to come.
All right, all eyes will be on that meeting, and as Pragya said, right after that we are likely to hear something about what departments are these ministers going to get. Times Now will be your first destination for all those details, the most authentic and the fastest ones. Taking a very quick break right now.